Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Bose SoundLink Mini and confirming it has juice. A low battery affects pairing. Once the unit is plugged in, charge until the LED is steady, then press the power button. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and in range within 310 feet. You do this because stable power and proximity prevent intermittent dropouts. Next, prepare to enter pairing mode. You'll use the dedicated Bluetooth button, so keep the speaker visible, and your device's Bluetooth settings open for the next step. Now put the speaker into pairing. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the light blinks blue. This signals discoverable mode. On your phone, scan Bluetooth devices and tap Bose SoundLink Mini when it appears. You do this to establish the secure link. If a PIN is requested, try 0000. Most devices won't need one, but it's there as a fallback. Once connected, the LED turns solid and your device shows connected. You should hear confirmation tones. Make sure volume levels on both devices are reasonable before playing audio. Finish by testing audio with a track. Adjust both your device and the speaker volume because mismatched levels can sound distorted. If audio cuts out or won't pair, power cycle the speaker and your phone first. This clears temporary conflicts. For deeper issues, perform a factory-like reset. Power off, then press and hold Bluetooth plus volume down for about 10 seconds until lights flash. This restores pairing defaults. If problems persist, remove the device from your phone's Bluetooth list and pair again to rebuild a clean connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.